If your Microsoft Authenticator app is not working on your new phone, here's how to fix it. Start by opening a web browser and going to aka.ms/mysecurityinfo. Log in using your Microsoft account. If you're asked to approve your sign in using the Authenticator app, but it's not working, select Sign in another way and choose one of your emails linked to your Microsoft account. To verify your identity, complete the hidden part of your email address, then click Get Code. Check your email for the code, enter it, and you will be prompted to change your password. Create a new password, retype it, and click Verify. Now, find the Microsoft Authenticator method in the security settings and delete it. Click Add Method. Ensure Authenticator app is selected and choose Add. Next, download the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, tap Add Account, select Work or School account. On your PC, a QR code will appear. Scan it using your phone. And finally, return to your phone and approve the login request. That's it. Your Microsoft Authenticator is now working on your new phone, and you can securely sign in without any issues.